Hi, I'm giving you again the JGS system accuracy test. I'm staying 25 feet away from my target using a prone supported position. And last time I didn't, really like the accuracy, how the JG operated. So this time I'm using the King Arms red dot scope to justify the actual accuracy. So using 0.2 gram BBs and 8.4 3300 milliamps battery. Yeah. I'm gonna fly 6 shot. Let's see the accuracy. Let's go see the target. Okay, this time, as you can see, after I readjust the scope and I zero in with the red dot scope, all the target hit the target, and 3 of them hit the center, and 3 other hit the on the head position. And as you can see, the JG is pretty accurate after I clean out the barrel and properly cleaning and loop the hot tub. This is how the JG perform. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.